How to fix lag in your Chrome browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the lag problem on your Chrome browser easy and fast. So all what you have to do is open your Chrome browser like this and go to the top corner, click on those three dots and then scroll down and you will find the settings option. Click on system and make sure to disable those options, and after that all what you have to do is go to privacy and security, click on clear browsing data, choose all time and click and make sure to delete all these. Click on clear, and after that go to site settings and make sure to turn off those permissions. It's very easy to turn off. I'm gonna show you how. All what you have to do is click, for example, on microphone and click on don't allow, as you can see, and then all what you have to do is relaunch your Chrome browser and this is gonna be working. Don't forget to like and subscribe for this video. See you later.